very interesting. I'm still in downtown Riverside. I was gonna start at Guillermo's. I like the sound of Guillermo's. All right, nothing for me there. Let's move on. But wait, there's more. Okay, so the Edward Mobley cat, 39, dog 41. That's all a no-go. I love the little soccer guy. Roy Dest doesn't really do that well for me, and that's at 25. What is hiding back here? Campbell's Kids. Wah! Love the little umbrellas. Now I'm like, check every corner. Kind of like the eyelashes on this guy. Okay, so the music box with the ballerina in it is incredible. However, at $110, that would definitely not be for resale. The Spaghetti Poodle Planter Cleanser Kate, and oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've seen one of those. Look at the little shell dish. Oh my gosh, and the little trinket box. Oh, they have fantastic stuff. That perfume bottle. Oh my gosh. Look at you. 58. Oh my gosh. Peter Max. I have one of those cigarette coffin boxes. Those are amazing. I've never even seen another one before. Look at that giant spaghetti poodle. Oh my gosh. What's that rocket? That's so neat. Oh my gosh, and I love those glasses. I can't even show them because I'm so wound up. And it just keeps going now. Okay, so the nuns are 19 each. That's about what those go for me too. Cute. Wait. This pig head from my Cadillac. This is amazing. This clock. It's a toilet seat clock, right? Does it open? I'm gonna Google that actually. It says, I wonder if it works. I'm gonna look that up. I am so surprised to see that's about what those go for. It's actually a little bit on the higher side. Now, this is my name written all over it. Oh my gosh. 686. Wow. I'm gonna have to look at that better. Let's see. $6.50 for you cute little top hat girl. Cute, cute, cute. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm gonna have to look better at that. Look at this tea tin. That's amazing. And then the little thermometer. That's so cute. And another acne planner. $6.50. He's spooky looking. So I did pick up that planter for around $6.50. It's just missing the black in its eyes. I even feel like somebody could do something really neat with that and put googly eyes or something or rhinestones on it. Now, 19. Oh, I thought this was $10. Huh? I know it's like falling apart though. 22. Well, I was about to walk out when I caught a glimpse of this 1950s daisy dress that just happens to fit me like a glove. It's $30, which is definitely more than I'd like to spend on it, but I kind of feel like if I ever want to get rid of it, I'll definitely make money off of it. Oh, should I do it? I don't know. It's such a good dress. It doesn't have pockets. Oh my gosh, I'm such a mess. I went from being bored out of my mind to being overwhelmed. I did go back and get that dress for $25. I'm gonna have to calculate how much I spent. It was like $85 and then it was $55, but I bought myself something and it just got super confusing. So I'm gonna go into Vintage Flair before I call it a day. Okay, well this is incredibly cute. This is the first thing I see, $5. It's in a contemporary frame, but it's still neat. And then this like little faux Renoir print, $10. That's kind of fantastic. I don't know how well that would do. Hold up, wait a minute. trying to put this back because wait till you see what I see next. $8 sold. Yeah, I'm just like, check every nook and cranny. Interesting. It smells so good here. Why does it smell so good here? What's going on here? Little mushrooms, $2.50. How fun. I'll take those. Let's see, what else can we find in here? We're out here, I guess. We haven't even gone inside yet. 40% off fabric. I don't think I need any more fabric in my life. Oh, there's more of these mushroom picks. They're contemporary, but I think they would be fun in the buy it now to save on shipping. Maybe I'll do that in my next show. I'm just gonna add a bunch of these. Yes, I don't think I'm wrong. I just checked the eBay and it looks like these are exactly what I think they are. They have a little bit of age to them if I'm not mistaken, but I think these would be super fun in a buy it now. I think they do really well, so I'm just gonna get all of them. Oh my gosh, look at the mini ones. Oh my gosh, I just am gonna make a mess. I feel like I need to calm down. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, I'm a mess today. All right, let me calm down. This is adorable, even though it's newer. This is so cute. All right, well, I got like $25 worth. That's at 20. Look at this flower frog. Oh, I'm overwhelmed. I haven't even moved my feet from the last spot. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. $3 each. All right, let me take this shelf by shelf. The little fire dog, that's at 6. That's adorable. And this little figurine, that's at 12. I'm gonna pass on that. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm gonna knock everything over. Look at this cute little thing. 10 S&P. That's not, wait. Okay, yeah, 6. I'm not sure. A little on the fence. Oh my gosh, what is this? 5. This one's sold for sure. That's amazing. Oh, I see. That is the other shaker. This is cute. $4.50. It's a little weird. I like it. This Enesco chick. I think it's Enesco. I could be wrong, actually. And then the little skunk. That's at 5. We'll take that too. Oh my gosh, I was trying to add to my pile, but I kid you not. There is stuff everywhere here. And when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. I'm so overwhelmed. Oh wow, look at this. 5. Oh my gosh, those are I love that it's in Spanish. That is so cute. And I think this is a little bit on the older side, unless I'm mistaken. Gosh, I need some space. I need some hands. I think I'm just gonna get this. This is so cute. Oh, here we go. 87, yeah. So this is a little bit older. I'm gonna get this, but wait. How did I not pick this up first? At 35, oh my gosh, I really wanna justify that. I think it's a little high. I think I could still make a couple bucks. Am I doing the right thing by picking this up? I'm not sure. I'm really overwhelmed. I need lunch. I was gonna stop, honestly, but I was like, oh, I passed right past this place. Why not? Just want to put this stuff down. Okay, so this is definitely gonna be a 2-sweep kind of place. Look at this bone china, 12. That's a really good deal, but I'm really nervous about that. Super fragile. What about these guys? I think I'm gonna want to take a break and come back. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I need so many things right now, and I'm just a little overwhelmed. 6. Yeah, maybe I'll take a break. I'm also I wonder how my car is doing. 12. That's so cute. And this Italian print. 10. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm gonna have to take a break because this is too much. $15. It's a little box. How cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Fantastic. Oh, look at you. You're so weird. Oh my gosh, and the little plastic faces. $4 each in the original packaging. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I need to take a break. So I've committed to being here for the rest of the day. I'm gonna go put the stuff in the car and take a quick break.